7 years. 7 years without any rain. We are going to die here.
You're right.
You're right. There's no point living in this cursed anymore. Let's just end this sinful life.
They hang themselves to their purpose out of desperation. As for other things, they became superstitious and devoted to
Precious gave me time. This.
the villagers are surprised and guilty, overwhelmed with hope. Indeed, just like
帮我调，那个黎明不要在那边，叫黎明不要在那边。来后面加，来后面，来后面。排到海了。
What are you giving me? Haven't you heard about the good news?
What goodness is that? I'm going to wash my face after helping Papa do so.
It's not the time to walk.
Is it? Finally it rained after 7 years of drought.
Yes, it was a happy day. I think the minister for me next door.
Thank God for the death in this day. In this case, we shall waste no more time. Get ready to plow land as soon as possible.
just then, there's love, leading the two little girls, Nino and Jose, in the house. Look, Papa, what we have brought, the tools we need. I rushed to get them once I received the news. We can start the work at once.
Very well done. We shall do it at dawn. No more delay.
Yes, Papa.
There, one place and parking, please, Papa. Let's start this. Clubhouse and our their hope is once again revived. The next day, in Yangwei village, under the hot sun, the adults are busy clearing their way. And the two young children are not.
The left. Go down. 哇，可以这样吗？
You must relax all.
I'm still fit, honey. I think we still need to consult with her, although our condition has improved.
No worries. I know you will say this to me. That I have been collecting water from anywhere. Actually, the water you drank is the water you want Papa fit last time. You learn it will get better.
Quite good. Maybe you should let them
I said no delays. Continue doing your own work. You have to finish sewing by these few days.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah.
Out of expectation, the rain stopped. The sudden rain changed from to heavy, and then finally to no rain. The family who had prepared their lands for farming become desperate.
How can this be? The rain only lasts for 2 weeks. What are we going to do now?
Papa, think of some ways, or else we will face the starvation again.
I think this be heaven's will. We can do nothing but to wait for miracles to happen.
Wait! We have been waiting for ages. There is no more rain as we are all going to starve again.
The two women broke down and became hysterical when they realized that they could not face another year of drought and starvation. Why are you wearing my shirt without getting my permission? This is my favorite dress, you know. You, such a thief!
You call me a thief? You, stupid fool! This bag you never done before. Not even one.
I never wore it because I treasure it. You stupid fool! Give it back to me at once.
Never!
They often argue with each other over small matters.
Enough!
Only the two girls, Mio and Museo, were happy in their own world, playing house and imitating You stupid! You take my dress! You stupid fool! Why should I do that? When Ramadi tries to find his peace of mind, he heard his father calling from the room.
Oh, Ramadi, my son, please come here for a while.
Yes, anything, Papa.
I think I found a way to solve our problem.
Really? What is it?
The rain god must be very angry with us. Thus, we have to appease their worship to God to get rain in return. When I was young, I had been witness to a rain-making ceremony. Charlatans and witch doctors stood in front of the offerings which lie on the offering table. Then, after reading the spell, the offerings were chopped into small pieces and were scattered all over the land.
You will eventually. And what sacrifices should we offer to the God?
It had been such a long time ago, I can't remember anymore. As for the offerings, we shall sacrifice our most precious thing.
You mean the God we bought from milk? Or the leftover tapioca we depend on for survival? I appreciate them very much, Papa.
No, you fool! The God accepts the purest offering, pure like children.
Children? You want me to sacrifice my own daughters?
They have my son. This is our last resort to get rain. So, we don't have any choice left.
I have no idea what to do, Papa. Mama is in the world.
Somebody is in the room. Later, Tiro and Tessa were also informed by the two men.
Sacrifice my daughter? No way.
God, this is the only way. For us and for the other villagers too.
Although it is cruel, but I think you should really consider about it, Chiro. If the ritual works, we can gain our prosperity.
Kiro. It's your call now. Whether to accept consideration or else we die together. Not on you to stop the ritual.
I got what you mean. Yeah, and they quit back. I don't want them to suffer.
Of course I will.
Meanwhile, in the middle of the night, the two innocent girls are brought to death. I know the great disaster that looked facing soon. And also, as if it ladies are looking Stifle.
พวกเราที่เกิดอันตรายนะคะเอาวิธีของผ่านซื้อ
You stupid thing!
Quickly move their bodies to the table.
Yes, Papa. The ritual starts. Mogoja, as the leader of the family, hosts the ceremony. Ramadi, Tiro, and Tessa pray sincerely for them.
God, a sound of furious offerings and give us rain in return. Hear me, Almighty Rain God.
The ceremony ends, and the two little girls' bodies are shot and then scattered all over the land.
No rain at all. No rain at all. How can it be?
There's totally no way. I want my daughter back. It's not me, my daughter.
Enough, Ali. They have died. It's not our fault. We made our own decision.
I think we better get going. Let's return to our village first. Back in the village, the villagers soon noticed the absence of Neo and Christmas.
My grandfather died.
Die? Why? When? Tell us more.
How could it be? There are such loving things.
They just died.
The family's person had terror-stricken faces. A rage, a murmur among the villagers. They were curious about the two deaths, all falling at the same time. Soon, the police came around.
Mr. Mozart and family, I'm Officer Lee. We are here to investigate the mysterious death of the two little girls, Neo and Boxiong. Please cooperate with us.
It's just an accident. An unfortunate accident.
And they were buried at the lands.
And now we are the one who kill them. We kill them for a return to pray for me.
Watch your words, hero. Stop spouting nonsense. Officers, I think I have to leave now. And the girls, that is not our fault.
Papa, I'm leaving with you.
Wait! It's true. My wife is telling the truth, officer. I killed my own daughters as an offering to the God. He silenced it. In that case, no one is doing it. Take them back to the station.
Don't touch me!
Shut up!
Don't touch
Shut
me!
The whole family was sentenced to death for ritual murder. Hence, tribal murder was against the law. Therefore, must be sent out with but there's none.